Alright, so we have a 2006 Honda Odyssey EX with a seatbelt buckle problem, and it came to be that the connector is bad. So this connector came underneath the seat. I took that tool over there and I pried it out, and these three wires are they just came apart. So I didn't visit the junkyard to get another connector, and for whatever reason I can't find my electrical tools to get these things out. So I just went to some old DVD player and I took the wires out of here and I cut them and stripped them and stuck it in here. Actually, I bent it and then I stuck it in there. Then I got my small soldering iron right there, and then I put it in there with some good lead here, solder, no flux, just put it in there, melted it, and it got in. Then I did my fluke meter and continuity test both sides, and then I had some ABS plastic that was inside with acetone ready to fix the cargo box. So there is the acetone and ABS plastic, making that pretty rock solid. And then now I'm going to join that with the other side, which is those three wires over there. And this green now is going to be blue. This here black is black, and the middle white is gray. And so I took a picture or a video of this before I took it apart. Now I know which one is what. I also have a used eBay connector here, and it also matches the eBay one. So the eBay one buckle right there has blue on the right, which is my green. The gray is my white now, and to the left is my black. All right, and then hopefully that will turn off my airbag problem. This is kind of Mickey Mouse, but it should be pretty good. It's better than driving around with no airbags.